Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming firmware and cables. This matters because the Ps5 needs the right signals. Connect monitor 1 directly with HDMI 2. One if you want 4K at higher refresh. Once done, connect the second monitor via an HDMI splitter, HDMI capture card, or use a monitor with DisplayPort plus an HDMI input. Make sure both monitors accept the chosen resolution. Remember why. Accurate connections prevent handshake issues and preserve frame rates and HDR functionality. Now configure the Ps5 video output and the route for the second screen. Do this to avoid mismatched resolutions. On Ps5, set resolution, HDR, and 60 or 120 Hz according to your primary monitor. If using an active HDMI splitter, ensure it supports the same bandwidth. If you chose a capture card, use its HDMI pass-through so gameplay stays on the primary display while the card sends a feed to the secondary monitor or PC. This keeps latency minimal and streaming clean. Finish by verifying audio outputs and testing gameplay. You want low latency on the primary monitor and stable video on the secondary. Make sure the Ps5 audio output matches where you want sound, monitor speakers, headset, or USB. Play a game to confirm 60/120 Hz and HDR behavior, and adjust settings if frames drop. If something goes wrong, power cycle the Ps5 and monitors. Reseat HDMI cables and swap ports. These steps usually clear handshake or edit problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.